God, it's not just fucking.
What? Oh God. He's just cleaning. Oh, it's sitting out here next to the yard.
Better change it now, what I'm saying.
Yeah, I would do 4 bags and take 4 quarts out of each one of those buckets if it was me.
You guys want to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Go, forward. You need to be on that edge.
The plastic just come off this.
You're supposed to take the plastic off.
I didn't know that it was still on there. I'm trying to help you.
I'll just spread it.
Go ahead and get started with it.
Hang on, let me
I
pull
got you.
it.
I'm just standing here waiting.
Yeah, do not roll it yet.
Tell me when to go and I'll go.
I'm gonna need, grab that magic trowel and push that shit up. I'm not deep enough at all.
Okay. Where's the
That's why I was worried about this fucking edge. I want to be on the edge more.
Let me get on the handle side here and you get on the opposite.
I got that. Just sit right there. To drain out.
Bucket drain for just a second.
Yep.
Start again. How thick did you gauge that?
3/8.
Okay. Let me start rolling. Yeah. Down there.
Start here.
That's what I was thinking.
In there too. Like,
I'm going in again now.
get in there. It's not a boxing. Get on top of that cold point. That's good over there. Push that, please. Yeah, all this was low right there. I can pull with that. That's the problem. Is I can pull this back. I can't push it forward with this game rig.
That's kind of my whole thing of habits. That's here.
Oh my God, it's not just fucking.
What? Oh God. Right here where this low spot is.
Aiden, come help me.
I'm the word.
You just gotta.
Just be careful.
Turn it up, it kind of tips over fast.
Hold on. No, this way, towards me, like towards the door.
Got it?
We gotta overlap that first stuff.
We're gonna have what? I gotta go. I can push and pull.
Get your dab in there. Right, it's not a posse, right back on that line.
Doing a great job, you guys. Here, I thought Dylan was gonna be cussing everybody up. Not yet. We ain't done yet. No, I ain't done yet. I'll need to pull this a couple times today. That's thick right there.
I feel like this is bleeding, but it's sweat. It keeps stinging. I'm like, oh god, I cut it open again every time it's
We got
sweat.
plenty of time to work with this. I'm just gonna pull it. No,
I've seen what I was doing with the extra oil. That's
extra
why I
what?
was pushing.
Yeah.
It slings water back. That's why I did it.
It's all good. We're good now.
Yeah, that's the kind of gauge right now I had.
Yeah, that's the one I'm used to using, but homeboy was like, oh, these are really good. I'm like, okay, cool.
No.
No, start there.
You guys have this on shower? Mist.
Slowly.
That good?
Yep. Maybe make that work.
Alright, so you got it. That's the way I do it anyway. Never fail it again. Once I get it so far.
Thank you.